All right. So we got this Speck StyleFlio for the iPad 10.2 2019 to 2021. So I think we can just slide it out. There you go. We don't need that. And okay, remove this. And here is the case itself. Let's take our iPad here, turn that off, and all right, it's in. So it's easy to click the button here, your headphone jack, and you can easily lock it in place so screen won't get hurt. And here is where you can keep your pen, your Apple Pencil. So let's try that, shall we? There you go. You're ready for the day. If you don't want your pen, you can just take it out, put it there, pop it out. Oh, there you go. And here's little things where you can keep it. If you want it like this, then you can keep it here and maybe put your keyboard up here or something like that. And there you go. This is the Speck StyleFlio. And hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Why don't you hit the subscribe button for this amazing video I just did. Thanks for watching. Peace.